Hello and welcome back to my garden. I think spring is my favorite season, watching the garden come to life, bursting with energy. The light is still soft and the colors of the foliage are vibrant fresh green. I like to combine the greens with spring bulbs in complementing colors like creamy whites, pale yellows and a splash of apricot. On my terrace I have experimented with some new tulips that just started flowering in an apricot pink tone, a variety named Coral Blush. I must say I love the color, but somehow it doesn't seem to work in the garden. I love the petit four daffodils with their apricot trumpets. They will slowly fade to a softer tone. In my mind I had worked out a color scheme of early and later flowering daffodils and tulips. But somehow this year they decided to all flower together, so I've ended up with lots of flowers in a cheerful mix of colors. I really love the white raccoon tulips. They have a simple but elegant shape. You can't go wrong with them. Daffodil Tender Beauty is a variety that I grow for the first time, and it is already one of my favorites. They flower for a long time and don't need any staking. I love woodland planting, and the back of my garden has the perfect condition for woodland loving plants. I grow lots of hellebores, Spanish hyacinths and lots of foxgloves. I will change the display on my terrace and show you that in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you ever so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Have a lovely Sunday and hope to see you again next time.